Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Today I want to invite you to slow down with me for a little while. Grab a cup of coffee, tea, or maybe even a hot chocolate with some marshmallows. Because this project isn't just about crafting, it's about home, what home feels like during the holidays. These sweet little houses you're seeing from Debi's Design Diary, Creativity in a Box, and I'll have her video linked below. If you hop over to visit her, please tell her Donna sent you. This kit truly captured the magic of the season for me. It came with the 6 paints. It came with Big Top, which you will find out about in the video, and it even came with a frosting. It came with all of the things you see in front of you here, and the paintbrushes. You didn't have to think about one thing, not one thing. As I work, you'll see the written instructions from the kit, as I did it, appear on the screen. So be sure to watch closely. And while you're reading along, I'll share the story and the heart behind these pieces. This kit came with everything needed to create these houses, and I used all the pieces, and of course, I dipped into my never-ending stash because, well, that's just who I am. I love this kit, and because it removed all the pressure. I didn't have to decide where to start. I didn't have to overthink anything. I just began. And then the creativity just starts to unfold. When I finished the last house and I decided to put lights inside, it was that moment that John walked by and he looked at them glowing on the table and said, "It looks like a village." And he was right. That's the moment this project changed for me. These were not just houses anymore. It was a place, a feeling, a sense of belonging. Now, I will admit, I may have over-glittered them a bit. I tried not to, I really did. But the sparkle overtook me, and I just went with it. Christmas gives us permission to do that. It's the season where a little extra shimmer feels exactly right. And here's the thing. You don't need this to be exact. When you do something like this, you can grab any house from any craft store. You can grab any color paint or texture. You can take any tree. You can make a tree. You can take a light, and suddenly you have created something meaningful. And you have created something homemade. If you try this just once, I promise you will be hooked. When we talk about home during the holidays, most people picture warmth, laughter, familiar smells drifting through the kitchen, lights glowing softly in the evening, maybe even a fire if you have a fireplace. For some, home is filled with family. For others, it's friends who have become family. And for some, home can feel very quiet this time of year. The holidays can be beautiful, but they can also bring a sense of loneliness. Memories surface. Empty chairs feel heavier. And sometimes the world seems a little louder about joy when someone is feeling the opposite. If that's you watching right now, I want you to know something. You are not alone. This community, this art family, we are here to share our lives with you. Our creativity, our stories, our kindness. We bring a little piece of our life into yours, and you bring yours into ours. Sometimes home isn't a place. Sometimes it's a moment someone shares with you. If the holidays feel quiet, there are still ways to make them special. You could watch a favorite Christmas movie. Maybe something comforting like It's a Wonderful Life. The Holiday, Home Alone, or A Christmas Story. Maybe catch your favorite Disney movie. Movies have a way of keeping us company. You could bake, or if you don't bake, you can buy favorite Christmas cookies. Sugar cookies, gingerbread, snickerdoodles, thumbprints with jam, and maybe, just maybe, share a few with a neighbor. Even a small gesture can warm both hearts. You could light a candle, turn on some soft music, let the glow fill your space, the same way these little houses glow here. The warmth of Christmas doesn't come from perfection. It comes from intention. And intention can be as simple as choosing how we show up. It's choosing to light a lamp when the room feels dim. Choosing to play music even if no one else is there to hear it. Choosing to decorate, not because it's expected, but because it brings you comfort and joy. So often we think the holidays have to look a certain way. The right table, the right meal, the right number of people gathered together. But real Christmas lives in the quiet moments, the ones that don't make it into the pictures. It's the glow of a light left on a little longer, the sound of a familiar movie playing in the background, the smell of something warm baking, even if it's just for you. And sometimes intention is simply allowing yourself to feel what you feel. Joy, nostalgia, gratitude, or even a little sadness. All of it belongs here. When I look at these houses all lit up together, I think about how each one holds its own story. Different colors, different textures, different paths leading to the door. Just like us. No two holidays look the same. And that's okay. If your season is loud and joyful, let yourself soak in it. If it's quiet and tender, let it be gentle. And if it feels a little lonely, remember that somewhere, someone is thinking of you, sending you light, even if you just can't see it yet. This is what intention looks like. Not doing more, but doing what matters. And speaking of intention, I want to take a moment to pour some gratitude right into this space, because this channel and this community are truly part of what makes the holidays feel more like home to me. First, to my subscribers and my Dollar and a Dream supporters, I want to thank you. You are the ones truly keeping the lights on around here, like these little houses glowing in the winter village. Your support means more than I can put into words, and I never take it for granted. And I want to send a special thank you to Lena Park Art and Yen Drawers for the blessings you've left and the kindness you continue to show. It's not just support, it's the encouragement, it's friendship, and it's the love. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I want to thank someone who has been very special and such a bright part of my year. Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Aishu, I want to thank you for an amazing year together, doing our Sunday videos. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support, your kindness, and your consistency more than you know. It has meant so much to me, and I am so grateful for you. This kit from Debi's Design Diary reminds me that creativity builds connection, one house at a time, one light at a time, one small detail that turns into something bigger. If this project inspired you, I hope you'll try creating your own little village. And if you go to Debi's, please tell her that Donna sent you. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of this community. As always, I invite you to make a new friend today. Say hello if you're in the chat to your neighbor, and reach out. You never know who might need it. From my heart to your heart. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Aishu's Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. Please join us next week at the Fluid Art Express Christmas collaboration that starts at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. That's December 21st, 2025.